What is going on, guys? This is RifleX. I appreciate you clicking on this video. Got another special one for you today. We are looking at 100% remote, no experience required, free Google certifications to add to your resume for those who are interested in getting jobs in the data analytics, digital marketing and e-commerce, IT support, project management, and UX design. So if you're in the market for those jobs, Google has free certifications. We're going to be looking at each and every one of those, exactly where you can get them. There will be links down in the description below. I really hope y'all can take advantage of this because they are free certifications. As you can see, there are over 1 million jobs, in-demand openings across these certifications that we're going to be talking about now. You can complete them in 3 to 6 months, maybe even less if you're dedicated. And 75% of program graduates report an improvement in their career within 6 months. So if you get one of these certifications in your career field, you're going to improve within 6 months. And we're going to be talking about salaries that range from $66,000 all the way up to over $100,000, so 6-figure salary. So let's get right into it. So certification number one we're going to be looking at is Google Data Analytics certification. Remember, I'm going to leave links down below for where you can click and get started on registering and start taking this course. As you can see, you will get started in a high growing field of data analytics. And if you're wondering what exactly data analytics is the process of really examining data sets, as Google says here, in order to find trends and draw conclusions about information that they contain. So there are incredible amount of jobs in this field. I just did a quick Google search. They have a job that requires no degree mentioned. It's full-time, just posted 3 days ago. As you can see, there's plenty other jobs. I saw one from Leidos, AT&T, SAIC. The list goes on, and this is an incredibly well-known, popular company. So you can see here, there's no degree required, high school diploma or GED. If you have experience in coding, Python, PowerShell, and Bash, if you have 3 years experience, 1 year experience of using analytics tools or like Splunk, which are things that you most likely gonna learn from this certification, which is all free to you, then you can get this job right here. And if we're talking about pay, what Indeed is saying, people are making anywhere from $63,000 all the way to $150,000, so 6 figures. Monster quotes that $64,000 all the way to 110, and Glassdoor 51 to 79,000, give or take. So depending on where you at, depending on what your experience level is, you can definitely negotiate that. And as we talked about earlier, people who hold the certifications report increase at the job site of pay within 6 months. So it's 100% remote, online learning at your own pace, under 10 hours of study a week, and you can get it done if you have the time and can accelerate the study. Salary is $74,000 a year if you hold this certification, or if you're in the field of data analytics, and there are over 380,000 jobs in demand right now. So to get started, you would just click on Coursera or register on Coursera right there in the link down below in the description. So that's certification number one. Google is offering this entirely free. There's jobs out there in the market for you to take advantage of that are paying upwards of 6 figures. Definitely take advantage of this one, as Google Data Analytics certification is completely free. So the link is down in the description below. Certification number two we're looking at is digital marketing and e-commerce. Shout out to my sister. She's actually in the digital marketing field right now, graduating very soon. She already is taking the certification and is on track to take her exam and pass it very soon with a graduation degree. So she will be making upwards of $60,000 when she's all said and done, both for experience from school, having the certification, and the internship that she is in right now. So in the field of digital marketing, there are 4 types of different digital marketing. Digital marketing really can be broad, and really it's about SEO search. So when you upload a YouTube video, for example, you want to optimize it so people can be able to find that video. Or if you have a website, say selling lashes, you want to be able to optimize that website so people can search and find your site when they're looking for a specific kind of, magnetic lash, for example, or pay-per-clicks or social media marketing. That's huge right now. A lot of companies need social media marketing because that's where a lot of dollars are coming from. Paid advertisement, content marketing, email marketing, mobile marketing, and the like. So if you are a young person, definitely want to take advantage of this certification from Google. digital marketing and e-commerce because this industry is exploding. Like the other one, no relevant experience, 100% remote and online learning, and under 10 hours of study a week. Now, looking at it, money, with this certification or in the digital marketing field, people are making anywhere from $51,000 up based on experience and degree, and also just your knowledge. So there are 280,000 jobs currently opening in this field of digital marketing and e-commerce, and this number is going up every single day just because of the popularity of this field, digital marketing. I'm talking Google, TikTok, Instagram. Every single day this number of jobs available in this field is going up. So it's a fast and flexible field. The digital marketing e-commerce curriculum is hosted on the Coursera website. So if you click on the go to Coursera, and the link is down in the description below, you can see a lot of people are already taking it. 251,000 already enrolled, and it's a 9,000 people rating it right now, 4 out of 5. 6 months, but you can do it in less. English, beginner's level, self-paced. And I just did a quick search on Google just for what kind of jobs you can get with the digital marketing certification or in the digital marketing field. As you can see, this one is completely remote, 100% remote. It's posted 30 days ago, but there are tons and tons of jobs in the digital marketing space. This one is full-time, no degree mentioned or required. There is health insurance provided. There is 401k, dental, employee discounts, flexible schedule, flexible spending, HSA and FSA, I believe is what it's called, and life insurance, paid time off, vision insurance, and bonus pay. So listen, if you are in the field in digital marketing, you definitely want to take advantage of this free certification. That way you can boost your chances of making even more money than what is projected here of $51,000. As you can see, salary.com is projecting between $50,000 to $80,000. So with experience, that can cross 6 figures, and it's definitely a fun field to be in. You get to be on your phone or play around the computer. Not play around, but you get what I mean. It's definitely a fun field to be in. So shout out to people like my sister who are in it and who are excelling in it. Definitely check out the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certification. That's number 2. The next one is a Google IT certification. Now, if you've been looking to break into the IT world, if you're coming from, the healthcare industry or some other industry and trying to break in the IT world, and this one is perfect for you because it's free. Other certifications like the CompTIA, Security Plus, Network Plus are expensive. Other certifications from like ISC Square, they're just expensive to break into IT. So this one is free. It's one that you can, put in your portfolio and say, hey, I have experience taking these IT certifications. I actually passed one. You will learn the basics of like networking, routers, switches, and different things like that. Configure a virtual machine, as an IT specialist, tech support specialist, system analyst, network engineer, help desk technician. A lot of help desk jobs right now. There's over 400,000 on-demand openings in IT right now, and you could be one of them filling those roles with a certification like this. So the pay with a certification like this in the IT support world starts from $52,000. I say start because with experience and the right bargaining skills, you can make more than this. $70,000, $80,000, $90,000. Again, as you know, IT is buzzing right now, and any kind of certification you have helps you. Of course, experience is the key word in IT field right now, because people want to hire you if you have experience. But certifications certainly help you. If you have a certification, that definitely looks good on your resume. It gets you the phone calls, and it gets you in the door of actually having a conversation with a recruiter, to then having a conversation with a hiring manager. So to be able to break those barriers, getting through the recruiter to get an interview opportunity definitely helps you, and that starts with getting a Google IT certification. So the link is down in the description below. All right, so the next certification is the project management certification from Google. This one is also free. Like I said, no relevant experience, 100% remote, and you do it at your pace. Whether it's a small or a large company, organization, startup, whatever it is, project management is good. You are responsible for planning, organizing, and running projects so that they can be delivered on time and on budget. Project management, listen, there's jobs galore for project management. I'm scrolling through Indeed right now, $125,000, all remote. I search for remote jobs, and I'm gonna clear this out. if you do a filter for remote jobs, as a project manager, there's 8,000 jobs right now across the United States. Let's just pick Washington D.C. for example, and hit search, and there are 358 jobs as a project manager. And as you can see, there's 91,000, 130,000 IC project manager, and the jobs are incredibly plenty. So definitely check this one out. The link is down in the description. Project management certification is free. It's from Google and it's on Coursera. That's number 4. I think we got one more. Last but not least, certification from Google that is totally free I wanted to bring to your attention today is Google UX Design Certification. So if you're not familiar what UX UI designers do, really they are the people who make products or services usable, enjoyable, and accessible. So your iPhone, for example, when you go on the App Store and you download an app, you want to be able to use that app and it be enjoyable. You know, have the buttons, you know, where you want to click them. Have the button when you click it, take it to a page that looks good. Have the button, you know, in the center, you know, or the left, right, or the bottom left or the bottom right. That was just good for your phone to be in your hand and accessible. That's what a UX designer does. They make the product accessible. If we go on Indeed, I just searched UX design entry level in Washington D.C. and there are a ton of jobs. As you can see, they are making upwards of $70,000, $62,000, and Google says with this certification you can actually go all the way up to close to 6 figures. Right now, there are almost 100,000 on-demand openings for UX designers in the United States. So this number is going up. It's gonna surpass 150,000 by June. That's my prediction, and it's gonna happen. I can guarantee it. So definitely jump into this. A lot of people going into IT, project management, Scrum, UX design. You can be creative. You can, you know, just influence and create products that people actually use, and there's joy in that. So this is a free certification from Google, UX design certification. The link is down below. Definitely take advantage of it. And that is it, y'all. I had 5 certifications from Google, all free. I left the links in the description down below, so definitely check them out if you're interested. And if you want to see how you can build a resume with any one of these jobs, let me know. I will give you a resume template, cover letter template. I do hope you appreciate this video. I do hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, definitely leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. I will see you on the next one. My name is RifleX. I appreciate you. Peace.